Hey everybody, welcome to our health and wellness series where we cover the ins and outs of what to look for in high quality supplements. Today we're going to dive into the world of B complex vitamins, particularly those that are containing methylated B9 and B12 and their incredible benefits. So let's get started. As you can see on the screen here, I've got one pulled up by Jaro. This is one that I've recommended for years. I take it personally. It's a great company, best management practices in the industry, and they have one of the best high quality B complexes that I've found on the market. There's other ones that contain basically the same formula, but this one consistently is delivered well for me. So basically, B complex vitamins are a group of 8 essential nutrients that play vital roles in keeping our bodies running smoothly. These vitamins include B1, B2, B3, B5, B6, B7, B9, and B12. Each one of those has unique functions, but they work synergistically together. They work to support really our overall health, driving thousands of biochemical pathways, gene transcription, and so much more. But today I'd like to focus on B9 and B12 specifically, and more specifically their methylated forms, because these forms, methylfolate and methylcobalamin versus folic acid and cyanocobalamin, which you typically see, are more easily absorbed and utilized by the body. You see that methylfolate and methylcobalamin serve as more of a methyl donor versus needing to have methyl groups attached to them so that way our bodies can use them. And this is really especially important for those that have what's called an MTHFR mutation. You see approximately 30 or even up to maybe 60% of the population has these gene SNPs or base pair mutations that make them poor methylators. This can have a significant impact on energy levels, mood regulation, memory, neurogenesis, which is the growing of new neurons, myelin repair, which is the insulation that coats all of your neurons, hormone balance, detoxification, and cardiovascular health. So let's go a little bit deeper on some of the key benefits of methylated B9 and B12. First, they play a crucial role in energy production. B12 helps convert the food that we eat into glucose, which provides energies for our cells, and without an adequate amount of B12, we might feel pretty fatigued and sluggish. Also, methylated B9 and B12 are essential for brain health. They support the production of neurotransmitters, which are chemicals that transmit signals into the brain. This helps improve mood, memory, and overall cognitive function. These vitamins are also involved in DNA synthesis and repair, turning some genes on, some genes off. Methylfolate, the active form of B9, is crucial for the production and maintenance of new cells, which is especially important during periods of rapid growth, such as during pregnancy. Maintaining healthy levels of methylated B9 and B12 can support cardiovascular health by helping to regulate homocysteine levels in the blood. High homocysteine levels are linked to an increased risk of heart disease, and high levels of homocysteine are actually a very common problem for those that have type 2 diabetes. To maximize the benefits of B9 and B12, they need the support of cofactors, or other vitamins and minerals that work together synergistically. For example, pyridoxal 5-phosphate, which you can see here on this list, which is the active form of B6, works with other B vitamins, particularly folate and B12, to support amino acid metabolism, neurotransmitter synthesis, and homocysteine regulation, which are crucial for maintaining energy levels, brain function, and cardiovascular health. This synergy is essential for optimal metabolic and neurological functions, and it can even impact your mood. While you can get B complex vitamins from a balanced or rich diet and whole foods, sometimes supplementation is really necessary, especially for those individuals that have that MTHFR mutation and poor methylators, or for vegans or vegetarians as meat really is the best source of B12 in our diet because, fun fact, B12 is actually manufactured by bacteria. And that vitamin gets stored in the meat. Animals don't actually produce B12. So look for high quality supplements that provide the methylated forms of B9 and B12 for optimum absorption and effectiveness, and also have that active form of B6, the pyridoxal 5-phosphate. Incorporating methylated B9 and B12 into your daily routine can bring a wealth of health benefits, from boosting energy levels to supporting brain function and heart health. Remember, a balanced diet and a healthy lifestyle are really key to overall, health and well-being. But if you want to find out if you're a poor methylator, I have provided a link below for low-cost testing that you can do at home to find out. So thanks for watching. The link for B vitamins that are featured in this video is also going to be linked below. So stay healthy, stay informed, and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more health and wellness tips. Thank you. See you next time.